By October,
Yes.
so it will be fully implemented.
Yes, Mr. Senator.
If I may go back to your inquiry about monitoring, if I may, Mr. Chair. Last time nyo kami in order, we worked with the DICT and also with the DMW. Pagdating po dito sa apps ito, real time po, we can identify the exact location of the OFWs. Once the link is established, magagawa po namin yung automatic na tatawag because napakaganda po nung
So
dinevelop
bakit
na link.
hindi na-establish yung link?
Yung sinasabi ni Administrator Arnel, we are working with the DICT on the application.
If I'm an OFW, pag nag-report po ako at nasa Saudi Arabia ako example, real-time po yung system ni OWA na makikita. There's a screen na nagbiblink po worldwide yung OFW. So kung yung agency na po yon ay siya ang nireport, ma-access naman po yung agency yung sa kanya lang, yung mga na-recruit lang niya. So it's a system, Mr. Chair, a very simple system that OWA will provide access to agencies so that pag may nag-report, kita ni OWA, kita rin po ni agency. So kita rin po kung nag-reply talaga si agency or hindi. So wala na pong linking, Mr. Chair. It's a typical given access lang po ang ibibigay po sa mga agencies to be monitored by both DMW po and OWA, Mr. Chair.
Ang maisasagawa po namin Agosto ngayon, by October, Mr. Senator, we can present the program, the system.
By October,
Yes.
so it will be fully implemented.
Yes, Mr. Senator.